Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll show you how to remove the community photo in WhatsApp Web. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer and log in to WhatsApp Web. Step 2. Navigate to the community chat by selecting the desired chat or group. Step 3. Click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. From the Options menu, select Announcements Info. Step 5. Now go to the Announcements or Community tab. Step 6. Click on the Community icon. Step 7. Select Remove Photo from the options. Step 8. Confirm the removal by pressing Remove. And there you have it. The community photo has been successfully removed in WhatsApp Web. Removing the community photo can be helpful if you want to update or change the image. If you found this tutorial useful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful WhatsApp Web tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.